The EIC funding will give us the opportunity to finalize the development of the coating.
Our coating has both antithrombotic and anti-infectious properties, while the other coating available on the market are either antimicrobial or antithrombotic.
Also will help us to scale up and to have the transfer technology, and finally to put our product into the market.
It will definitely improve patient outcomes because we'll reduce the complications, thrombotic and infectious complications. So we'll reduce death. The major states in Europe will benefit from that because we will lead to major substantial healthcare cost savings. One problem of thrombosis or infection of a medical device really costs a lot to the healthcare system.
Our long-term vision of our company clearly is to play a role into the medical device market.
Our first business case has been the catheters because of our knowledge and because also of the high rates of complications.
Not only by providing coating, but still by developing research to really improve the durability and also to prevent any kind of complications related to any medical device that are implanted intravascularly, but also that are used for other things into the body.
The number of patients who will benefit from our technology with reduced complications will be in the magnitude of millions of patients.